So let's do the first of our awards tonight, which is the Tech for Good category, and it's sponsored by Domino's Teesside. Let's take a look at the finalists.
Code 4000 are a charity that delivers computer programming training in prisons around the United Kingdom. As well as delivering computer programming training, we also work with our students, find them employment, training or education when they are released from prison. We're proud of the work that we've done in the Tees Valley, but we're also proud of having a base in the Tees Valley. The support that we've had from the local tech community has been second to none. And for them to see the work that we're doing and to want to contribute to that work in the really positive way that they have done, that makes us proud to have a base in Teesside.
We've been shortlisted for the Tech for Good award. It's really exciting for us to be nominated in that category. We've added a lot of value to the community to ultimately help victims and survivors to pass on information when needed through our progressive web app. And what we did is we worked with our client to really deliver serious outcomes to help their advisors help victims 24 hours a day through a progressive web app, using artificial intelligence and using a platform from Google called Dialogflow. So it was quite innovative from our end and really exciting to work on.
We didn't actually submit the application. The application was submitted by our client, which we are absolutely thankful for. You will have heard of, you may have seen them driving about, and that is the Cleveland Mountain Rescue Team. So we worked with them to develop a management and competency system which has saved thousands and thousands of hours of time, and those thousands of hours of time that it saved has enabled the team to get to rescues quicker, to focus on the things that they need to be doing, which is searching for people and rescuing people. Ultimately, their job is to save people's lives.
Now, Domino's Teesside are our sponsors this evening, and let's meet, by the power of Zoom, in a marvellously social distancing way, Mike Rax, who's the owner of numerous Domino's franchises across Teesside and beyond. Mike, good to talk to you. Now, I understand that you are obviously socially distanced from us, but in a rather big way.
Yes, I'm in Greece at the minute.
So why are you not by the pool?
The pool is just right there, but I put a shirt on and jeans, so tried to make an effort, obviously.
And the weather's nice?
Oh, it's beautiful, 30 odd degrees.
Oh, don't make us sick. Come on, please. Come on. All right, let's also say hello to our three finalists as well. Representatives of the firms shortlisted for the Tech for Good award. We have Yusuf Chowdhury of Adeo Group, who's in Middlesbrough. Yusuf, good morning to you.
Morning, how are you?
Very well indeed. We've got Rebecca Lampton from iTCHYROBOT. Hello, Rebecca. You're on holiday as well.
I am.
In Greece?
Sunny Wales.
Come on. And we've also got Jim Taylor, who looks like he's sitting at home in Barnsley. Is that right, Jim?
That's correct.
So, Mike, first of all, tell us a little bit about Domino's Teesside and why you wanted to get involved in the Tees Tech Awards.
Sure. Domino's Teesside is part of a wider group, Rax Group, and we operate a number of franchised and independent brands across the UK. I guess the reason we wanted to be involved is because all the great work my fellow entrepreneurs been doing, not just during COVID, but for many years. And I believe the region isn't just about heavy industry, as we have a significant hub of businesses operating in the digital sector, and we have to shout about it.
Okay, and you've also delivered more than 100 pizzas for this evening to our award sponsors tonight and everybody else. I hope they're enjoying them. I mean, you've got Domino's franchises right across Teesside, haven't you?
Yes, sure, that's right. Pretty much everyone will enjoy it. I might be a bit biased, but nothing beats the Domino's. Yeah.
Well said, well said. Okay. It's worth noting as well, very much so, that even the category sponsors don't know who the winners are because there were no judges in the awards. All the sponsors were responsible for scoring each entrant, and the scores were added up to create our 11 category winners. Just so you know, all right? So without further ado, Mike, I believe on holiday in Greece, you have taken an envelope with you and you have it right there. So could you reveal our first winner of the night?
Sure. It's all sealed. And the winner is Code 4000.
Code 4000. Congratulations, our first winners tonight and the winners of the Tech for Good category. We've got a beautiful trophy that will soon be in your hands, Jim, and a big moment for you. And what a business. Just briefly tell us a little bit about it.
Yeah, brilliant. Thank you. Yeah.
You're a bit gobsmacked there, aren't you?
Sorry?
You're a bit gobsmacked there, aren't you?
I am a little bit, yeah, but I'm genuinely chuffed and thrilled thrilled about it. Fantastic. Code 4000 deliver computer programming training in UK prisons. We're involved in the Teesside area because of our work in HMP Home House, and we teach the residents there how to become software developers and support them to find employment upon release. Our biggest achievement is the fact that not a single one of our graduates has ever returned to custody upon leaving prison, which in a country where the reoffending rate is something like 60%, we think that's an amazing achievement on our part. And this award really gives us really proud to accept it, and we feel it underpins fantastically the work that we've been doing. Thank you.
Well, congratulations. Tech for Good winners, Code 4000, and also well done to our other category finalists, iTCHYROBOT and also Adeo Group as well. Thanks, everyone. Enjoy your night.